Talagang yun na lang, nag-focus tayo doon
Sa talagang
sa
weakness.
training. And sa training, aside from sa strong side natin, hindi natin pinabayaan, but nagdagdag pa tayo. So, hanggang sa pagbalik natin, na-try din natin 5-0 na.
Yeah,
Yan.
and with what do you call that one? With the bonus because of the belts that they had.
Yes, yan na hanggang nasabi na rin ng CEO, yung chairman mismo ng One Championship na despite na wala tayo doon sa first world, mga
Yes,
ganyan,
exactly.
mga wala tayo ng tamang resources or
Mm.
yung kakulangan natin ng mga resources, no?
That's why I want to learn your planning doon kung paano kasi when it comes to equipment, especially the first gym that you had in
Mm,
KM4, yun nga, sila mismo magsasabi, it's not what we call the one, a first class gym,
no,
so to speak.
world
But
class.
it works
Oo.
because it produced champions.
Mm.
Well, paano yung, did you incorporate or did you hire other trainers to assist you?
Mm.
Ano yung mga techniques ng ano?
Nung una mag-isa natin diyan kung ano, but through teamwork.
Mm,
Teamwork, then we try to hire wrestling
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 coach.
coaches, mga ganyan. Pinapabisita natin kahit twice a month.
Mm,
Then repetition, repetition
repetitions. Yeah.
hanggang ayun, ah, hanggang yung prepare natin ng husto and the right siyempre andiyan na yung andiyan na yung sabihin natin social media, dan ng YouTube.
Mm,
'Pag nakikita natin yung mga opponent nila, i-study natin ng gusto,
mm.
ito yung strong side ng mga ganito, ganyan. So, preparing yung isang atleta doon, we're basing doon sa mga kalaban nila. Nakaka-create tayo ng magagandang game plan.
Game plan. Yes, because
Mhm.
you are also called, the team was also called the king of rematch.
Rematch. Yeah, yeah.
Because you always come back
Oo.
during rematches.
Ayun, so, yan yung maganda kasi we keep on studying,
Mm,
no?
mm.
Keep on learning yan. So, diyan, nananalo tayo dun sa mga pag natalo tayo. Same like Ali before.
Yeah,
Pag
yeah.
natalo siya, pag bumalik siya, tatalunin yung mga tumalo.
Uh,
Then, that's sport. No? That's
mm.
sport. Sometimes we learn, sometimes, no? Sometimes we win, sometimes we learn.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
Hindi